How to create round 3D logo using Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your blank page on Canva. Now the next thing you want to do is to insert a circle. So we're going to do that by heading over to elements, and then we're going to be tapping on circle, and then we head over to the graphic section of circle. Now I'm just searching for the circle of my choice, and when I find it, I just want to tap on it so it can be on the page. So this is me just adjusting the size of this circle. Then I duplicated and reduced the second one into 2. We are trying to create a round logo, and this is what we'll be using today. So now I'm back to elements, and this is me just typing in star. I want to use it to beautify this particular logo, so I'm just going to click on star, go to the graphic section of star and tap on it. Now go ahead and look for the star you want. When you find you want to tap on it, so mine came as white, I had to change the color so it can be visible on my page. And this is me just reducing the size. As I said earlier, I'm using it to beautify, so I need it really small. Now the next thing I did was to go ahead and duplicate this. Now I needed it on both sides of the circle, so I duplicated and I placed it on the same position on the other side of the circle. So I wanted a custom text for this particular logo. The next thing I did was to head over to text and tapped on it. Then I added a heading, and then I'm going to be typing the first letter of my brand, which is S, and I'm going to adjust this to what I want by changing the font type, and also I'll be changing the font size into what I would like. So I have 2 brand letters, that means I have to customize 2 letters. So I'm just simply just going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to change the letter from S to T. That's very simple, seeing that you don't have to go changing size and changing the font type again. It's already edited to perfection. So all you need to do is to duplicate and place it in the position where you would like. The next thing you want to do is to head over back to text, because we now need our brand name in this. Now you're going to add a heading, and then I'm going to be changing this into the first section of my brand name. Now for this logo, I'm going to be having my brand name divided into 2. Now after typing, I want to go ahead and adjust this. Number 1, I changed the font type. I didn't like the font type it came in, and also I'll be changing the font size of this because it's way smaller. The circle is way smaller and the text is so big. Now the next thing I did was to go to the top of my screen and click on effect. Then I tapped on curved, and as you can see, my text is now curved. Now you're going to adjust that to suit your preference and how curved you would like your text to be. Now when I was done, I went to spacing, and then I went to letter spacing and I increased it, and for me this was perfect. Now the next thing I did was to add another heading. Like I told you, this particular brand name will be divided into 2. I want one up and I want one down, so we're simply just going to repeat the process by going ahead to change the font type and also the font size, and then head over to effect on the top of your screen. Now you want to scroll down to curve and tap on it, and then guys, you're going to be adjusting the curve but to the other side now, because it is down and the curve is different from when it's up. Now go over to spacing and tap on letter spacing and adjust this to your taste. Now for me this is perfect, and guys, our logo is ready. Now to make this 3D, the next thing you want to do is to head over to the left hand side of your screen, and you're going to be tapping on share on the left hand side of your screen. Now head over to downloads and tap on it, and over here at downloads, make sure to check the transparent background box before you click on download. Now we want this background downloaded in a transparent background, so this is me just choosing the file location where I want this to be downloaded to. Now guys, after downloading, you want to head over to any browser of your choice. Today I'm going to be using Chrome. Now head over to the search bar and type in Photo P. Now you want to tap on that. Now I'm going to be selecting the first option, and when you get over here, you want to just go ahead and click on templates. Now you will notice that there are so many templates here. Now you want to go ahead and select whichever one suits your taste, what you would like your 3D image to look like. You want to go ahead and select that, and this is the design that we went for. So just double tap on it to get you over to this section where you can start editing. Now head over to place your logo on the left hand side of your screen and tap on it. Now you want to go to the hide icon. It's like an eye over there, and tap on it. This is just to hide the other features on it. Now the next thing you want to do is to head over to file and then select open and place and tap on it. Now go ahead to choose the logo we just downloaded from Canva and click on open. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and increase the logo. You want to increase the size until it suits the Canva over here. Now let's head over to file again. Now go ahead and tap on save in bracket smart objects. You want to tap on that. Now you want to head over to the top of your screen and click on mockup 3D by, and you should see your round 3D logo on your screen. Now this is how easy it is to create round 3D logo using Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.